my channel Be So Trendy. So if you are new to this channel, in this channel I make videos about books, self-development, and I'm planning to do more videos about YouTube tips also. So if you're really interested, please subscribe to my channel and please select that bell icon so that you get notified all the time. So enough of introduction, let's get into the video. So if you are thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, so before you pick up your camera or your mobile phone, you need to ask certain questions to yourself. Because questioning yourself before you start something new is the best technique that will help you to get some clarity. So today I have 7 questions that you need to ask yourself before you start your YouTube channel. So here is the first question. So the very first question that you need to ask yourself is, why do you want to start a YouTube channel? So if your answer is only for making money, then you have to rethink about it, because you can't be successful in YouTube without any hard work. Moreover, you have to be very passionate about what you're doing, because if you're not interested in what you're doing, you wouldn't give your 100% work. So it's really important that you have to be very clear about why you are starting this YouTube channel. So that is the first question. So the second question is, who is this channel for? You have to be very clear about your targeted audience. For example, if your channel is all about makeup, then your targeted audience will be women. Or if your channel is all about education, then your targeted audience will be students. So what is the purpose of your channel? What is the purpose of your videos? You have to be very clear about that, because the more you clear about your targeted audience, the better you will create more worth watching content. So this is the second question that you need to ask yourself. So the third question is, what is your niche? A big mistake that many people do when they create their own YouTube channel is not selecting any particular niche. You have to select one particular niche or topic. For example, if your channel is all about makeup, but you keep on uploading videos like cooking, vlogging, and tech review in that makeup channel, your audience will definitely get confused. So please don't mix up the content. Select one niche and make videos about that particular niche. And I want to share one more thing, guys. For example, if someone is having vlog channel and they are getting more views and subscribers, and you want all those views and subscribers for your channel, but you're not comfortable with vlogging, please don't do that. In case if you're comfortable with tech review, please do that. So you have to be very clear about your niche, and you have to be very comfortable with that particular niche. So that is the third question that you need to ask yourself. So once you are clear with your audience and your niche, the next thing that you need to think about is how you are going to create your YouTube videos. So what are all the equipments that you need? But personally, I suggest please don't buy any costly equipments for your videos. For example, I'm just using my phone. That's it. I'm not at all using any tripod or mic. I'm just using one stand to place my phone. That's it. So please don't buy any costly equipment at the beginning. So once you see some growth in your channel, then go and buy that costly equipments. But please don't waste your money. So the fifth question is all about, do you have enough time for your YouTube channel? If you're working, you may think that YouTube is so easy compared to your 9-to-5 job. Please don't think in that way. YouTube is not an easy thing. You may think recording and uploading a video, it's so easy, it's just 5 to 10 minutes video. But trust me, there is a lot of effort behind that 5 to 10 minutes video. You wouldn't understand what I'm talking unless you are a YouTuber. So the fifth question that you need to ask yourself before you start your YouTube channel is that, do you have enough time for your YouTube channel? So the sixth question is all about, will you able to post regular videos on your YouTube channel? For example, if you are posting 30 videos for 30 days, and on the next month, if you are posting only one video per month, it's not going to help you, because in YouTube, consistency is the key. So if you're not posting your videos regularly, then YouTube algorithm is not going to help you. For example, if you are posting your videos on daily basis, please continue that. Or if you are posting your videos on weekly basis, please continue that. It's completely up to you. And you need to ask this question, that will you able to post your videos regularly? If your answer is yes, then welcome to the YouTube world. And the seventh and the final question that you need to ask yourself is, do you have patience? YouTube is a long journey. It's really important that you need to understand. Successful YouTube channel is not going to happen overnight. Not only YouTube, whatever field you are passionate about, your success is not going to happen on the very next day. You have to understand that. So please don't expect quick success in YouTube. As per saying, nothing comes easy. For example, if you have started your YouTube channel, you may think, okay, I have started my YouTube channel. Within this week, I will get my 10,000 subscribers. No, YouTube is not going to work in that way. Unless if you are really good at networking or if you have more friends and family members to support you, yes, you can easily get your 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers. But other than that, you need some patience. So it's really important that you need to ask these questions to yourself before you start your YouTube channel. So finally, please don't give up easily, because one day you will get what you want. So that's the end of the video. I hope you all like this video. If you really like this video, please like, share, comment, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon for further updates. Thanks for watching.